old band. Slow this music down. How can I get close to these pretty girls when you got me jumping up and down? I wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body close to mine. Wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. Oh yeah. Ooh. You see, I wanna grab one of these pretty girls, slow drag across the floor, do like they used to do back in 1954. Now fellas, I sure enough like your music, but you got to change the groove. Just looking at all of these pretty girls got me in a sexy mood. I wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. I wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. Oh yeah. Ooh. You see, I wanna grab one of these pretty girls and slow drag across the floor and do like they used to do back in 1954. I wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body close to mine. Wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. Wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. Ah, oh Lord. Wanna bump and grind and get on down. Hold your body next to mine. Wanna bump and grind and get on.
Ooh, I'm mad as hell tonight, y'all. My car broke down, and I've been walking all night long trying to find my man. The nigga must be hiding, cause I can't find his ass nowhere. I done spent my last dime on a bottle of Chevy's. I'm high and I'm ready for anything now. Shit. Woo. You know what they say about if you can't love the one you want, you got to love the one you with, huh? Well, I just called up an old flamer man. He told me that the party was jumping and to come on over and we gonna play some sweet music and we gonna get down, huh? So if anybody out there see that man of mine, you tell him he can keep his black ass where he been hiding it. Cause I don't need his services tonight, honey. I see your party's jumping and everybody's having a good time. And you know what's going through my mind. Do you mind if I get comfortable and kick off these shoes while you're fixing me a drink? Play me some of them down home blues. You see, I don't go out much on the town. And I'm not the kind of woman that be running around all week long. I've been keeping my cool, but tonight I'm gonna let my hair down and party on these down home blues. Down home blues, down home blues. All I wanna hear are those down home blues all night long. Every other record or two. So take off those fast records and let me hear some down home blues. I know my old man is gonna wanna fight because of the hour I'll be getting in tonight, but I don't care. Tonight I'm gonna do as I choose. I'm gonna get my head back and party on these down home blues. Down home blues, down home blues. Now all I wanna hear are those down home blues all night long. Every other record or two. I wanna get my head back and party on these down home blues. Down home blues, down home blues. Now all I wanna hear are those down home blues all night long. Every other record or two. I'm gonna get my head back and party on these down home blues. Down home blues, down home blues. Now all I wanna hear are some down home blues all night long, baby. Every other record or two. I'm gonna get my head back and party on these down home blues. Down home blues, down home blues. Now all I wanna hear are those down home blues all night
Mel Waiters, Big Rock, remix y'all, hole in the wall, shorty, come on.
Oh yeah, the hole in the wall. I've had my best time, yes I did. The hole in the wall. Listen to me now. 3 o'clock in the morning, all the damn clubs are closed. Went to this place, y'all, I didn't want anyone to know. Walked in the room, had my nose in the air. 7 in the morning, y'all, and I'm still in bed. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. To the hole in the wall. I've had my best time, y'all. Yes, I did. The hole in the wall. Oh, yeah. I took my high-class woman with me the next night. She didn't want to get out of the car. Said it didn't look right. Walked in the room, had her nose in the air. 7 in the morning, y'all, and she's still in there. Smoke-filled room, whiskey and chicken wings. Everybody's dancing, and no one wants to leave. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. To the hole in the wall. I've had my best time, yo. Yes, I did. Oh, yeah. The hole in the wall. Yeah, baby. Come on now. Smoke-filled room, whiskey and chicken wings. Everybody's dancing, and no one wants to leave. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. To the hole in the wall. I've had my best time, yo. Yes, I did. The hole in the wall. Oh, yeah.
That's on my mind, baby. I got my money, my whiskey. Now I'm gonna have some fun. That's the hole in the wall.
Hey, somebody go with it right now to the hole in the wall. You see, I've had my best time, y'all. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. The hole in the wall. Hey, baby, do you wanna go, baby? Oh yeah. To the hole in the wall. You see, I've had my best time, y'all. Yes, I did. The hole in the wall. Come on now.
Play the song again.
Oh, suki now. Hey, come on, baby. Hey there, sugar dumplings. Let me tell you something, girl. I've been trying to say now. You look so sweet and you're so doggone fine. I just can't get you out of my mind. You become a sweet taste in my mouth now. And I want you to be my spouse so that we can live happily now in a great big old roomy house. And I know you're gonna groove me, baby. Oh yeah, now make me feel good inside. Come on and groove me, baby. I need you to groove me. Oh yeah, now, darling. Come on. Hey there, sugar dumplings. Come on, give me something, girl. I've been needing for days. Yes, some good loving with plenty hugging. Ooh, you cute little thing, you. Girl, between you and me now, we don't need no company. come on home and groove me, baby, groove me, baby. Oh, sock it to me, stock it to me, rock it to me. Come on, come on, come on and groove me, mama.
Man, I'm down to my last $2. This chick told me she want mink coats and diamond rings, a black navigator and things.
Money, 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 money.
Woo!
Big head $100 bill.
Well,
Big head $100 bill.
I need some big head hundreds to go with these ones and twos. Well, my baby love me with markers and Saks Fifth Avenue. Well, I need some big head hundreds to pay for her brand new ride. Well, I need some big head hundreds, y'all, to keep my baby satisfied. If I need y'all, I need some
Big head $100.
that's what I want. That's what I need.
Big head $100.
I got to keep my baby pleased now.
Big head $100.
That's what I want. That's what I need.
Big head $100.
I got to keep my baby pleased.
Money, 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 money.
Working hard all day, son.
Money, money, money.
I need some big head hundreds to buy my baby a diamond ring. Yeah. Oh, Jody's on the corner. He got a bank